Guys, welcome or welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Anik NK. How you doing or whatever? Hey kings and queens. So guys, today I'm going to be doing my weekly check-in. As you guys can see, your girl got some lights on because, as you guys know, I like recording in natural light, but it's going down. Anyways, if you do like the content on this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, make sure you click a thumbs up if you like this video. And we about to get into this, and then we about to do our own stuffing. So let's go, little Bible. Okay guys, so this is the weekly check-in and the last check-in in this book. I'm so excited because I am transferring over to my book, my plum paper book that I showed you guys. Your girl transferring over. She excited. What's good? What's up? Talk to me nice. Okay? But anyways, this week's check-in is for October 24th through the 30th. Those are the days that I am doing 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, that's 7 days. To the 30th, 2020. And we're gonna go over all of, what we bought. So the first thing was actually from last week. My friend, I paid for her food, like I said, and she paid me back, but there was a delivery fee of $2. So on the 23rd, I just took that out of miscellaneous. Going out, I hung out with her because she got out of quarantine finally, and so we went to a mini stop, got some alcoholic beverages. That was $3.11, so 89 cents is going towards saving, total of $4. Then we actually went to dinner as well, and we had this long conversation, like 2 hours, 3 hours, catch up time, $15.82 was the meal, 18 cents goes towards dinner, $16 total. Then Etsy got my coins. I think I ordered from Her Courage to Plan, and then Palm and Oak, I think it was. So, and someone else. So Palm and Oak has shipped my stuff. Her Courage to Plan stuff is already here, so your girl going to pick it up tomorrow. But yeah, that was from Etsy. I think that was my charges. That was $23.15. 85 cents is going towards saving. $24 save total. Next is groceries. About $36.27 in groceries. Not a lot. 73 cents towards saving. Total of $37. Household, I bought dishwashing liquid because it was finishing and little baby needed some more. $3.58. 42 cents goes towards saving. $4 total. Then Stella and friends, we had some wine. She had Sunday dinner, so I went Sunday dinner. Then it was actually breakfast, and we had mimosas. So we all split up like the cost and everything. So I bought wine, which is $6.95. So 5 cents is going towards saving. That's a total of $7. Again, from Etsy, I bought some stuff, don't know what, but I'm pretty sure it was one of the previously mentioned things. That was $8.50. 50 cents goes towards saving. That's a total of $9. Going out, drinks and chill. Basically, this was a long ass day. So we met up, we went to dinner, then we went to the mini stop, then we chilled for a second, then we had drinks, then we had wine and breakfast the next day. It was a good weekend, guys. It was a good weekend. That was me living and enjoying my life. It was a good weekend, guys. It was a good weekend. So going out and drinks, that was $20.17. 83 cents towards saving, $21 total. Spending money, all these next words in spending money. This was when I was going through my phase of just spending a whole bunch. But I think my November budget, which comes out tomorrow, should let y'all know what's up. Or my cast stuff and video has a whole lot more, so that comes out on Thursday, so that will let y'all know what's up too. That was at breakfast on the 29th, that was $4.85. 15 cents towards saving, $5 total. Then actually that was lunch. Then at Subway the next day, ghetto. I was acting all the way up. This was $6.15, 85 cents towards saving. That's a total of $7. Then this was actually scheduled for us to have, a fun day with the squadron. So it was cold in the morning, so your girl bought hot chocolate, which was $2. Nothing towards saving, $2 total. Then we were still at the same place, so I bought lunch. It was $11.95, 5 cents towards saving, total of $12. And then the last but not least is from Still in Friends, and your girl went waxing, so I got $78.14. Savings of 86 cents and a total of $79. So I already calculated everything to see where we was at, because we ain't got no time. I ain't trying to be here all day with y'all, and y'all ain't trying to be here all day with me, and that's on period. I'm okay with that. So anyways, the amount I spent for the week on weekly check-in was $222.64. Then my savings total came up to $6.36. I think this is the most that saving has gotten from this. $6.36. And then a total I spent was $229. That's what, 2 and 68 indeed. Yep, $229. $229 total, because I did not calculate those together. So $229 total is what I spent for the week. Now, as you guys know, if it's in green, that means your girl already paid in cash, but we ain't got nothing in green, so everything was on credit card. Now for the month of November, everything should be in cash, except for like my groceries or things that I just pay for like out in Korea, like not on base and stuff. Anything on base is gonna be most of my spending will be done in cash, but if I go off base, then that would be done in credit cards, just for protection purposes. And I don't want to go through the hassle of doing currency conversion, so because your girl ain't winning the currency conversion anyways. So but bank deposit for this is $222.64. Credit, that's so wrong. Bank deposit is $229. Would I keep going at the same spot? There we go. All right, $229. The thing about this pen is like, it is so fine point that sometimes it just goes through the white out, and it's not cute. But $229 is bank deposit. Then credit card payment, which is in a black pen, is $222.64. Then saving deposit is $6.36. And then my credit card balance as of 2 November, which is the day I'm recording this, is $662.89. That is including my money from last week, from this week, and also what I've already spent since the 31st. It's a lot. I don't know why. That's another thing. I've not been going to the bank to pay my money, and I'm just like, this ain't the move, sis. So I still have my $266. Add this $229 on there. Let's see. Let's do this real quick. This $266 plus this $229 equal to $495. Plus I needed to put $100 in there as well, so that's $595, because my parents, yeah, just know I just need to do things between my banks, and so $100 extra. So minus this $662.89, $67.89 is what I need to put on what I've spent on the 31st, which sounds about right. So it's cool. But anyways, now do I have any notes? I think I'm gonna have notes, but it's gonna be for later on when I'm doing my unstuffing, because miscellaneous and everything, like a whole bunch of things might be getting done. So let me tell y'all. So I had done my cash stuffing video a little bit before this one, and I had to update my envelopes, make sure girl was on track. And so now we can unstuff them, because you know they stuck. Okay, yes, all 3 videos this week happened in the same day, in the same time, at the same house, at the same day time. Anyways, let's unstuff these cash envelopes. So the first thing we have is groceries, and groceries only had 1 this week, and it was for $37. Now from last month, groceries had $41, I think it was, before I added in the $400 for the month of November. So I'm gonna take out 37 out of groceries. So this is 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let me take out this 1 because I don't like that. Okay, so that's 37. So I have $4 left over. So I'm gonna put it off to the side up here. And the reason I'm taking these last month's money and putting it in, taking it out and putting them in, you know, different categories is because, guys, I overspent. So I'm kind of like accounting for it, but not accounting for it. Well, it's only for groceries right now. So let's move on. But this is $37. I might not take out of all the other envelopes, just out of groceries, to be honest. But that was $4 from groceries, so I'm gonna keep it there. Car fuel is good. Stella and Friends lost a lot, probably all of its money. Like I said, I did my cash stuffing before I recorded this video because I had already accounted for this money when I did some of the things that I did. So yeah, I know, shouldn't do that. I should wait until I get paid and then, you know, use the money as it goes. But this is literally for my waxing, and I need it, you know, for it to do what it do. So Stella and Friends, she has $7 for wine, and then she has $79 for waxing. So that's a total of $86, right? There's only 2. Yep, 86, and this is $90. So I'm gonna take out not that one, $4 out of this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna put that in this, and that should be that amount. So $4 should be left back for Stella and Friends. I'll put her in here. Okay, next is hair care. Doesn't have anything. Toiletries doesn't have anything. Household is losing what, $4? Household is losing $4. So we are going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. That's that $4 for household, right? Yep. Then going away dinners, not losing anything. Spending money. Oh, a whole lot. Where's my calculator? Oh, there it goes. So spending money did 5 plus 7 plus 2 plus 12. That's $26. Honestly, like the hot chocolate and lunch I could have taken out of somewhere else, but like I could have taken out of miscellaneous, but miscellaneous is already gone through it because it's just a lot. So $26 is coming out of my spending money. This I did not account for when I did this, but things happen, guys. It really does. So yeah, so 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 26. That's good. So I'm gonna put this 20 back in here, and I've already spent like a couple of that. Going out. Did I think all the spending money? I sure did. Yay. Going out is losing cute change as well. Going out is losing, need a calculator. It is losing $4 plus $16 plus $21. Yep. So that's $41. Damn. 20, 30, 40, and 41. Hey, you know, we budgeted to spend it and we spent it. Yeah. YouTube doesn't lose anything. Miscellaneous is losing $2. 1 and 2. Small business, I spent my $50 budget. Small business is losing a couple as well. Oh, this is a multi-category type of week. So that's 24 plus, what's that, 9? Is it? 24.9. Okay. $33. So this is 20, 30, 1, 2, 3. $33. Okay. So this can go over here. Small business right here, right here. Okay, and then nothing from health, nothing from budget and buys. I think that is everyone. Miscellaneous, going out, small business, groceries, household, Stella and Friends. Yeah, so I should have $229. And actually, since I didn't use, since I didn't need to use any of this extra money from groceries, I'm just gonna put this. I didn't need the extra money from groceries to, offset anything. I'm gonna actually put this back. That's $4. So I have $404 to spend for this month. So this should be $229. Y'all know how the cookie crumbles. This should be $229 because that is what we accounted for when we did this. It's a lot of ones. That's okay. That is a-okay. It's the same money anywhere you go. Same currency pays for the same thing anywhere you go, little baby. So we're gonna put that 50 to the side. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Boom! $229, Yeah, guys, so that was my check-in for the month of November. I'm doing cash only. So this money will be gone before the weekly check-in because it's a cash only type of month. So yeah, I think I have my deposit in here. Yep, my deposit's in here. And I still have the 266 from last week. So 51, 52, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 66, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. Because I haven't deposited yet. But anyways, yeah, so that was basically it for the weekly check-in. Let me get this together. Hold on. Wait a minute. It's a chopper. Let me get these together real quick. Can you believe it? I'm holding almost $500 in my hand. Almost $500 in my hand. I'm holding almost $500 in my hand. That's crazy. All right, and I don't need any notes because I didn't have to do any of those shift change or any of that. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Share this video with a family, friend, or a foe. And make sure also you subscribe to the channel. My name is Anique NK. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Won't I? Show will. What was this? Oh God. Okay. Anyways, bye guys.
How you want it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.